When it comes to maintaining your home, few upgrades can have as significant an impact as window replacement. Whether your windows are outdated, damaged, or simply no longer performing efficiently, professional window replacement offers numerous benefits that can enhance your home's value, comfort, and energy efficiency. For homeowners in Sumter, South Carolina, opting for professional window replacement ensures that you receive the best quality materials, expert installation, and long-term benefits. Here's why investing in professional window replacement is a smart decision. Enhanced energy efficiency. One of the most compelling reasons to replace your windows is the boost in energy efficiency. Older windows often have poor insulation properties, leading to drafts, heat loss during the winter, and heat gain during the summer. This can result in higher utility bills as your heating and cooling systems work overtime to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Professional window replacement services in Sumter can help you choose energy-efficient windows that are designed to keep your home comfortable year-round. Newer window technologies, such as double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and gas-filled panes, significantly reduce energy transfer. By investing in energy-efficient windows, you not only reduce your carbon footprint but also lower your monthly energy costs. Improved home comfort. If you've ever felt a chill near a window during the winter or struggled with overheated rooms in the summer, you know how uncomfortable poor quality windows can make your home. Replacing old or damaged windows with new, high-performance ones can greatly improve your overall comfort level. New windows help to regulate the temperature inside your home, keeping warm air in during the colder months and blocking out excessive heat during the hotter months. By eliminating drafts and providing better insulation, professional window replacement ensures that your home remains a comfortable sanctuary regardless of the season. This enhanced comfort is particularly beneficial for families with young children, elderly members, or anyone with respiratory conditions who might be more sensitive to temperature fluctuations. Increased curb appeal and home value. Windows play a critical role in the overall aesthetic of your home. Whether you're planning to sell your home in the future or simply want to improve its curb appeal, new windows can make a significant difference. Modern window styles and materials offer a fresh, sleek look that can transform the exterior of your home. Additionally, replacing outdated or damaged windows with high-quality alternatives can give your home a more polished and well-maintained appearance. For homeowners in Sumter considering selling their property, new windows can also increase the resale value of your home. Potential buyers are often willing to pay more for a home that is energy efficient, well-maintained, and aesthetically appealing. Professional window replacement adds both short-term visual improvements and long-term financial benefits. Increased safety and security. Old windows, particularly those with damaged frames or faulty locks, can pose a security risk. They are easier to break into and may not close properly, leaving your home vulnerable to intruders. Modern windows come equipped with improved locking mechanisms, reinforced glass, and sturdy frames, making them more resistant to break-ins. Professional installation ensures that your windows are securely fitted and that the safety features are properly installed. This not only offers peace of mind but also provides added protection for your family and belongings. In addition, some windows are designed to be impact resistant, which is a valuable benefit in areas like Sumter, where severe weather conditions such as hurricanes and storms can occur. Reduced maintenance. Another advantage of professional window replacement is the reduction in maintenance requirements. Older windows often require constant upkeep, including recaulking, painting, and repairs. This can be time-consuming and expensive in the long run. In contrast, newer windows are designed to be low maintenance. Materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum are durable and resistant to warping, fading, and rotting. This means that you can enjoy your windows without having to worry about frequent repairs or maintenance. Additionally, newer windows are easier to clean, which saves time and effort, especially for homeowners with hard-to-reach windows. Professional window replacement can provide you with windows that are both durable and easy to care for, allowing you to focus on other aspects of homeownership. Better noise reduction. Another often overlooked benefit of new windows is the improvement in noise reduction. If you live near a busy road, a noisy neighborhood, or an airport, unwanted noise can disrupt your peace and quiet. Modern windows with soundproofing features, such as double glazing or laminated glass, help to reduce external noise. This is especially beneficial for homeowners in Sumter who seek a quieter, more tranquil living environment. By replacing old, single-pane windows with high-quality, soundproofed alternatives, you can enjoy a much more peaceful and relaxing atmosphere inside your home. Conclusion. From improved energy efficiency and comfort to increased safety and reduced maintenance, the benefits of professional window replacement are clear. For Sumter homeowners, investing in new windows not only enhances the value and appearance of your home but also makes it more energy efficient, secure, and comfortable. Professional window replacement is an investment that pays off in both the short and long term, ensuring that you and your family enjoy a home that is as safe, beautiful, and efficient as possible.